Today we're going to ride some dirt, some killer twisties, have some Mexican food, and look into a little legendary motorcycle history.
Oh, come on, these squirrels are being adventurous on me. It's funny, they'll sit there and wait and then dash in front of you. I miss that guy. There's a lot of them out. It must be a springtime thing. I think they have competitions or something because they've been doing it to me for the last 20 minutes. And usually they'll go halfway and then turn around and dart back. I call it a double take. Once someone tried a triple take. That was a out, back, change your mind, go back the other way. Oh, I kind of like this road. A little bit fun, you know? Yeah! Love this kind of stuff. Yeah, putting a smile on my face. That section's sweet. This whole ride's pretty fun. It's gonna be a nice day. Man, these squirrels, I tell you, there's a lot of them out here. Okay, I think that's Browns Valley Road, going up over the hill there, and that this would be the entrance. I didn't air down for this either. It's not super rough. Since COVID, I haven't even been riding much street, let alone dirt. I just realized I forgot to turn ABS off, which was stupid of me. If I need to do anything other than very light braking here in this hard pack with loose stuff over on top, ABS is going to totally hose me. So I think I'm going to stop right here. Let's see, ABS, push, hold. Okay, ABS light is on, which means, ironically, ABS is off. The front's kind of getting a little squirmy there. There's a fork in the road here. I'm pretty sure we go to the right. One of the few dirt roads that you can ride within, 100 miles of my house. Hey, but it's dirt. We're under. Woo! Okay, I think the water crossing is right here. And I don't think there's been any water here in a while. And here's the pavement. Yep. This is Pinoche Road. All right, this is Highway 25. There is a structure road here that is used by local motorcyclists to open it up and see what their bike can do. Oh, that was La Gloria. Okay, that's another dirt road. This is one of the twistier sections at 25. Oh, nice bump there. Wow. You come flying around that sucker knowing that it opens up after those turns. Oh. here we are. This is the entrance to Pinnacles. I dumped a bike right there once. I left it in neutral and it rolled forward off the stand. We stopped at the intersection of Coalingo Road and Highway 25. Take a little break. Found a teeny bit of shade here. Time to get rolling. Drag strip. There's a few of them, but as you can see, it's not perfectly flat. There's a little bit of up and down in a couple spots. I think it's about 1.5 miles. You don't want to be doing 130 when you hit this turn. We have left San Benito County and we're in Monterey County. Quality of the road leaves a bit to be desired, but it's not really an issue for me on this bike. Street called Broadway. There's probably 10 Mexican restaurants down Broadway Street in King City. I'm going to go to the usual, which is El Lugarcito. Look, my space is open. Time to check out some chow. That was tasty. The carnitas was in big chunks, which is not my preferred kind, but they did braise it. A lot of places usually, if they make the big chunks, it's kind of like stew meat. I did at least remember to cinch up my helmet. I have a tendency to forget that. And I know I'm the only motorcyclist that does. Most of the time I do remember, but every once in a while I'll get out on the road, you know, and I hit the freeway and I'm up to speed and I feel the strap flapping. I'm like, ah. And cops hate it when you pull over on the side of the freeway. It's like, well, I need to strap my helmet. Okay, we have glasses. It's not working here. Here we go. Wardrobe malfunction. So I've just got off Highway 25. I'm at Cienega Road. And this is a road that goes by Hollister Hills. I have ridden my dirt bike at several times, quite a few times. I've actually ridden this bike on some of the trails there, the easier ones. should be coming up on Hollister Hills. I think that's the entrance to the Grand Prix track. And that is the entrance to Hollister Hills. You pulled over for me. Thank you, sir. I always wave with all my fingers when someone pulls over. There's a dirt bike trail right off to our left that I ride quite often. You can see, that's a one-way. Most of the trails are one-way there to avoid accidents. We're in downtown Hollister, or well, almost to downtown. This is the main drag. It's called San Benito Street. In, I think it was 1948, of an American Motorcycle Association hill climb event that was attended to by a motorcycle club that was the predecessor, I believe, of the Hells Angels. And it was heavily dramatized and exaggerated as to the events that occurred in Life magazine with staged photos and so forth. And the movie The Wild One with Marlon Brando is loosely based on some of the events that happened. Yay for lane sharing, although I don't think I can make it between that truck and this van. Yeah, I can. This has changed a bit. Alrighty, looks like the battery in one of my GoPros is dead and I don't feel like changing it.
If you like this video and you're interested in more great motorcycle content, check out that video up top there.
I hope you enjoyed my cruise down Highway 25 and the various side trips and stuff. And we'll catch you next time, and remember, ride on.